So this is a 2016 Dodge Journey. It's got a code P0335, which is a camshaft sensor. The crankshaft sensor, sorry. It's a crankshaft sensor. The crankshaft sensor is in between with the engine block and transmission at the back. So as you can see here, you're gonna need to remove it. You're gonna remove this heat shield here first. You're gonna need 10mm socket. You're gonna remove the top nut, and there's a 1 or 2 bolts at the bottom. So you don't have to remove all of it. So what I'm going to do is just remove 2 bolts, 1 nut and 1 bolt, and just enough to push the heat shield away, so that I have enough space for me to grab the wires and also remove the bolt for the sensor. Let me fast forward. As you can see here now, it's open. Let's see if we can focus on the sensor here. So the sensor is somewhere here. It's a little bit dark. Trying to feel it where the bolt is. So here's the sensor. As you can see, you don't have to remove the wire right away. Just first you have to remove the sensor bolt, pull it out, and then you can remove the wire, as you can see here. And here's the new sensor. This is the original sensor. You got it from the dealership. So it's quite expensive, but I don't want to risk buying cheap one and it will fail again. This way you're sure it's gonna be good parts. And make sure you compare it properly, because sometimes they are actually different. As you can see here, So I am putting, first I am going to put the sensor without the wire yet. And now that's it. Now you gotta, once you tighten everything, you gotta just put the wire. So, so here's the wire, right? So just put it in. Make sure you put it properly. Make sure there's click. Once you hear the click, that means it's sit properly, and you can push the lock back to the red lock. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. So if this video helpful, please consider to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.